Are you getting ready to upgrade to Windows 11 and you're not sure how to turn on TPM 2.0? You know your system has it, you just don't know how to turn it on in the BIOS. Well, today we'll show you how to turn on TPM 2.0 in the BIOS of your AMD Gigabyte motherboard. It's really quite easy to do. And as long as your system meets all the other requirements from Microsoft, you will have Windows 11 up and running in no time. Let's go ahead and dive right into turning TPM 2.0 on. All right, so here we are on my Windows 10 computer, and the first thing I want to show you is how to check if you have TPM turned on your computer, and then we'll come back and show you that it is turned on. So on your keyboard, hold down the Windows key and hit the R button. This is going to load up the little run menu or pop up for you, and we want to type in tpm.msc in the open area down there, and just go ahead and hit OK. It's going to load up this little program that tells you if you have TPM turned on or not. And it says compatible trusted platform module cannot be found on this computer. And it wants us to go to the BIOS to turn it on. So that would be how you check. We're going to just shut that down. Just a quick note, you can't turn something on if you don't have it. Don't leave me a nasty note because you can't find it. This video is for those who have TPM 2.0 in their system but need to turn it on. Now we need to get into the BIOS here on our computer. So in order to do that, we're going to restart our computer, and as it's booting up, we need to hit the delete key on our computer, and that'll take us right into the BIOS. So I'm going to go ahead to the start menu, go to the power options there, and just hit restart. And you can see it's restarting. I'm just going to keep hitting the delete key on my keyboard. And it's usually right around when the logo for your motherboard pops up that it'll divert over to the BIOS here. So the screen's going blank, it's restarting. I heard a beep. All right, so my BIOS loaded up here on my computer, and it loaded up in easy mode. We need to actually get into advanced mode. So with your mouse, you can go over to the right-hand side here and click on advanced mode, or you can hit F2 on your keyboard. And once advanced mode is loaded up, we are looking for the option here at the top that says settings. You can go ahead and left click on settings, and it should bring up a menu that looks like this. We're looking for the option here that says miscellaneous. Now you'll need to double click on miscellaneous. It's going to load up miscellaneous. And at the bottom here, you're going to see some options. We are looking for the one here that says AMD CPU FTPM, and it says disabled here. So we're going to go ahead and double click on disabled. And we want to go ahead and click on enabled. Now, if we only click on it once and exit out, it's going to go back to disabled. We actually need to click on enabled, or double click on enabled, I should say, or hit on enabled and hit enter. So if we do that, it'll turn it over to enabled. Now, if you do want to adjust some of the AMD CPU TPM settings, once you've save this and you come back into the BIOS, you can do that under trusted computing here. We're not going to get into that today. We're just going to show you how to turn on the 2.0 TPM. So once that's enabled, we just need to save and go check it again. So we're going to go ahead and hit F10 on our keyboard, and that's going to bring up where we can save configuration and exit. So again, that's F10, and it shows us their last modified TPM from disabled to enabled. We're going to hit yes, and that's going to reload up our computer and go right back into Windows. All right, so it rebooted and loaded up into Windows 10. We just want to make sure TPM 2.0 is turned on. Go ahead and hit the Windows key on your keyboard and hit R. And again, we're going to type in the same thing, tpm.msc, and hit OK. And it's going to load up that page we looked at earlier. And you can see for myself now, it says the TPM is ready for use, and I have specification version 2.0 installed. And it's really that simple to turn on TPM 2.0 on an AMD Gigabyte motherboard. So I hope this video was able to help you turn TPM 2.0 on your AMD Gigabyte motherboard. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media. You will find all those links below in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.